So for my senior project, I decided to build a Teardrop camper trailer from scratch. And it's a modified version of the Grumman 2 Teardrop design. And we also used fiberglass fenders based off of the traditional Ken Skill designs. I've started it in December over winter break, and I've been working on it whenever I had time, mostly weekends, and it was just me and my dad using his technical knowledge and workshop downstairs and in our garage. So this is the finished product, and before you see the whole process, I'm gonna give a quick tour. So in the front, there's just an electrical box with a battery charger, and then hookups for at a campsite if there's 110 power. That's just a hitch that was welded onto the frame along with the bolted on wheel there. And the entire thing is sheeted in aluminum, so it needs to be polished still to get it looking shiny. But these doors are homemade with windows that we bought. So the entire inside is just a queen size mattress, and there's lights inside and functioning USB outlets. There are cabinets in the back for storage. There's a fan at the top for temperature control. And yeah, the main cabin is mainly just for sleeping, but it's got windows that open with doors. Yeah, the fenders were from the Ken Skill design. This is the back hatch, which is just the galley. So that opens right up, just sort of like the back of a car, and it's got a light up here too. It has a sink that just has a small electric pump. Underneath here, there's water storage for the sink, and also a gray tank for the waste from the sink. And then here is the main breakers for all the fuses for the all the wiring that's done inside. We have sort of different circuits. Right here we just have a pull-out for either a cooler, or we could also put a small cooler type fridge in there. Over here, just a drawer for some cookware or something. And then above that is just another pull-out where we have a camp stove that can be set up. So this is just the main cooking area when you're set up at camp. You have your sink, stove, cooler, and you can have more set up around you. And also back here, there's more outlets, more USBs, and there's a voltmeter for the battery. Right now we're at 12.9 volts. Fully charged, it's about 13. And yeah, it's all very compact, closes down quickly. Yeah, it has functioning brake lights, side lights here for regulations, and yeah, the next step is just to get it registered with the DMV. So from December up until now, I've been logging all the hours I worked on this, which was roughly 170. So between the two people, my dad and I, it's roughly 350 man hours to complete this. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy the slideshow of all the progress pictures I took throughout.